Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about enum. Enum in programming. What is enum? So an enum is basically a data type. Let me write here for you. An enum type is a special data type that enables a variable to be a set of predefined constants. So I am defining one enum set of gender outside main method. Enum gender so I have defined here one enum set of gender now I am defining and initializing variables string name is 2 So I have defined and initialized two variables here, name and gender. For name I have given value Muhammad Ali, and for gender my value is coming from an enum set, gender.male. So when I print this value, you will see that it will give me male in an output. I can show you right here. My name is 0 for first position and 1 for second position, and console.read key so that why I'm writing console.read key so that my screen doesn't disappear. So that's it. Now let's run this program. Yeah, I've got the desired output, what I wanted. was name and gender. So it is showing me in output my name is Muhammad Ali and I am male. Because I have written, when I was defining gender variable, I have written here gender. I have written its value here like gender.male. So that's why it is showing me in output I am male. So that was it for today. Hope you got something, and if you like this video, then please share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stuff like this. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.